While the closest comp titles to my book would be a sort of amalgamation of Wayward Pines, Lost, Lost in Space, and Firefly. But I also took inspiration from the 100, especially the end of the series, and a little bit from Doctor Who. So the remnants of humanity are forced to evacuate Earth in search of a habitable planet. After getting lost in an unknown region of space, they are forced to crash land on a nearby world that's eerily similar to Earth. Book 2 is everything that happens on that strange planet. Book 3 is everything that precedes the first book, A New Sky, and leads up to humanity evacuating Earth. A sort of Reaver from Firefly type outbreak. Those creatures are called the Targhouls. And this is spoiler territory, so if you don't want to know, stop watching. But this is everything that takes place after the second book, A New Sky, and it will be the end-off of the prequels to my main series. So, a rogue black hole in the universe ends up swallowing up humanity. On the other side of that black hole is a whole nother time space. So in the book Forever Mortal, Derek ends up figuring out how to get the rest of humanity onto the other side of this black hole into a new time space because our universe is barren with no other life in it. No other planets that are habitable for humanity. Book 2, The Lost City, is a sort of purgatory in-between world because different universe equals different laws of physics, hence why I go from science fiction in the prequels to the main series, which will be dark fantasy with wizards and dragons and shit. So these 4 books are the short story novellas that will be the prequel to my main series, and my main series will be I can write any book in any genre I want, and every time they get reborn, same characters. Mainly because that way I only ever have to market one book. And if I want to write a mystery thriller, I can do it. If I want to write a dark fantasy, I can do it. If I want to write a sci-fi, I can do it. And that's what my books are about. If that sounds like something you're interested in, you can go click the link in my profile or you can go search the titles on Amazon. Only A New Sky and The Lost City are out yet. The other 2 will be out in the new year. If you're asking what authors inspired my writing, be Brandon Sanderson and Terry Goodkind. But condensed, because I don't want to write that big of a fucking book. I like the ones that, you can find at your dentist's office and read pretty much while you're there. With nice, bold font and spacing, so it's nice and easy on the eyes, especially for people with vision impairments or ADHD. God damn, I love my job.